How's it going, folks? Welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be talking to you about MoonPay. Now, for those of you that have been living under a rock for the past couple of years, MoonPay is one of the easiest and best methods for beginners to enter the world of cryptocurrency. So they bring a whole world of crypto in one simple account that you can check out downloading the app in the description down below. It's easy to do more with crypto, having in mind that Bitcoin recently reached $100,000. This may be the app that is for you. Why? Well, first of all, it's trusted by absolutely everyone. Second of all, it allows you to buy, sell, and swap cryptocurrencies seamlessly. So you're bringing together all the wallets into one place. You're seeing your digital collectibles, NFTs, and everything on one spot. And itself, this is the new way to crypto. So in just a couple moments, I'm going to actually show you the app and how to download and how to use it. But first of all, let's go over a couple of the features that MoonPay actually has. The fact that you're in safe hands is very important for the start. Rock solid encryption, AES 256. For those of you programming out there, you should know your cybersecurity and you should know what this means. Certified secure, so they have these ISO certificates. It's trusted by the likes of PayPal, MasterCard, and other merchants, and over 30 million accounts and counting at this point. They are open about how they operate. They set a high bar. They have a lot of different certificates, and there's no surprises, right? You know exactly how much you'll pay for the fees. You know exactly how much you'll pay. You know exactly how much money you will end up receiving. Your balance is always redeemable, so when you top up, they make sure that your balance is always accessible and ready for you. You can even convert right back into fiat, so into euros, British pounds, or dollars at any time, and it's non-custodial, so you are the owner of your digital assets. There's no centralized exchange there to hold them for you. So from card to crypto and back again, it's very simple to buy, it's very simple to sell, it's very simple to swap if you click the links here or download the app down below. 30 million plus users, seeing all your collectibles in one place, that's one spot. You can have everything in one account, over 440 partners, which is insane. So you can have an easy checkout in any app that uses MoonPay. You can pay with crypto, you can get paid with crypto, and this is a feature that I will show you in a bit when it comes to actual businesses. And if you run a business, how you can accept cryptocurrencies. So currently 170 crypto assets, $8 billion of crypto delivered, 30 million accounts created, and 180 countries supported. This is the future of money at your fingertips. They have a huge trust score on Trustpilot, over 90,000 reviews, a couple frequently asked questions, and before we get into the app, is it actually safe and legit? A little nice article from NFT Evening that I also will link down below. So MoonPay makes it easy for anyone to buy and sell cryptos or even NFTs. They have over 500 partners, including crypto exchanges, crypto wallets, and NFT marketplaces, and they support over 50 crypto assets. So they also expanded into Web3 services in 2022, launching Hypermint, a platform for creating and managing NFTs. So for those of you that think NFTs have died, no, they haven't. They are back, and you're able to purchase and even trade them with MoonPay. So some of the features before we move into the app itself: buy, sell, swap, and hold cryptocurrencies in your wallet with payment options such as credit cards, bank transfers, mobile wallets, and more. Crypto wallet and exchange integration, very simple to purchase anything online or to store your NFTs or crypto inside of your wallet. Multiple payment methods supported such as credit or debit cards, SEPA transfers, UK faster payments, Apple Pay, PayPal, Venmo, and Google Pay. And you have the mobile app, which allows for a user-friendly way to buy and manage crypto and NFTs on your smartphone. Want to know how the app works? Well, let's dive straight into that. So from the moment you actually open and download the app, you're going to see MoonPay Crypto, 4+ year-old application, finance category, insane app, insane UI, absolutely beautiful. And obviously what I did was enter it. So I'm kind of going to be voicing over what I recorded for you guys previously on how to actually use the app and use all the features. So it's very, very simple. A lot of different features for building your portfolio, for trading your cryptocurrencies, buying and selling Bitcoin. You have a dashboard that's centralized, that shows you absolutely everything that you have to see. You have your top performers within your portfolio as well. You can learn about Bitcoin, learn about how MoonPay keeps your things safe. You can check out the current price of Bitcoin. You can check out the value. You can buy, you can sell, and you can swap all in one spot very, very simply. If you want to buy crypto, you just click, choose your amount, and press continue, and you will be able to connect it to your card and just transfer. So any token out there out of, I think, 170 plus cryptocurrencies, you are able to buy within the click of a button. One of the most simple and intuitive platforms to use. I love the interface. I love the purple color. I think their logo and branding is on point. And obviously you can take care and check your whole dashboard at the start with your favorite tokens. You can see all your assets in one place, all the top performers in another place. If you want to track some cryptocurrencies, you can add a couple into your list. There's this Celestia token, which has been performing pretty well so far. And once again, if you want to purchase it or check out the prices, you are able to do so all within the app. So that's pretty much it about the app playthrough. I do recommend you check out the links in the description down below. And for the final part of the video, let's see how this implements businesses or impacts businesses. So integrating crypto payments has never been easier as it is with MoonPay. And for those of you out there that own businesses, I suggest you press the read our docs button right here so you can learn more about how you can integrate yourself. It's just one snippet of code to help you scale your business quickly. The on-ramp can be integrated into your app or website in 10 minutes. See for yourself. So let's say you want to purchase a little bit of USD or Bitcoin. All you need to do is press the continue button. This is the code. This is what you get on your screen. Very, very simple, right? Anybody in the crypto world should be using MoonPay. No wallet, no problem. Revenue sharing from the start. And obviously you are always in control with the dashboard with a plug and play model so that it's very simple to use. There are no chargebacks, so they can handle all the card processing, so you never need to worry about fraud or disputes. You can set it up in 10 minutes. It's built for approval rates, so more buyers will successfully pay by card and complete a purchase using MoonPay rather than without it. And the checkout process is under 30 seconds. So over 30 supported fiat currencies, over 110 supported cryptocurrencies, and 160 plus countries right now. Some of the partners here are Bitcoin.com, Phantom, and Ledger, one of the largest wallets in the world. And with that being said, thank you all for joining in for another video. Check out MoonPay if you haven't already. Cool information at the bottom of the website about Web3, starting in NFTs, little help center. And yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own due diligence. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.